Part 3, Question 3.1. Choose the correct key signature of B major here. The order of sharps is like this. There are 5 sharps in B major. The second and the third one are obviously incorrect. The first one is in alto clef, seems it is a correct one, but the placement of the last A sharp is not right. It should be like this. Therefore, the fourth answer, which is in tenor clef, is correct. In question 3.2, you need to choose the right key signature of E flat minor, which shares the same key signature of G flat major. The pattern of flat is like this. Therefore, the second one is the correct answer. Revise the order of sharps and flats in key signature in different clefs before the exam. In question 3.3, you need to figure out the key of a passage. Pay attention to all accidentals and you will find the way. In question A, there is a F sharp. The answer is G major. In question B, there is an A sharp, F sharp, and C sharp. We can then refer it to the order of sharps. Seems like it is in D major, which has a F sharp and C sharp. However, there is an A sharp here. It is very likely that it is in minor key. In harmonic minor scale, the 7th note has to be raised to a semitone higher. In B minor scale, the 7th note is A. Here the A is sharpened, so B minor is the correct answer. In question C, there are 4 sharps in total. They are F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp, so this is in E major. Question 3.4 tests how well you know the pattern of scale. The question has suggested that the scale is in B flat harmonic minor. Remember, the basic pattern of a harmonic scale is like this. In X, the 7th scale degree should be a semitone away from the tonic, so the answer is A. In Y, the 6th scale degree should be a semitone away from the 5th one, so the answer is G flat. Remember the basic patterns of all major and minor scales, especially harmonic and melodic, and then this part will be easy for you. Question 3.5. You need to choose the right clef for each scale. Take a look at the first and the last note of each scale, which are the tonic. Then look for accidentals in the scale. In question A, let's try to use different clef to fit in. Then we found that if bass clef is used, the first note becomes D here. It is clear that the scale is in D minor, so the answer is bass clef. In question B, we can use the same method to find the answer. The scale makes sense if bass clef is used, so the answer is bass clef. Apply the same previous method in question C. If treble clef is used here, the first note is G. The scale here makes sense, so treble clef is the correct answer. Question 3.6. You need to decide whether the chromatic scale is well notated. In A, let's write down the letter name of each note. The chromatic pattern is clearly written. The answer is true. Question B. Let's follow the same way to write down the letter name of each note. There are something wrong in the chromatic scale, so the answer is false. Question 3.7. The first one asks if A sharp is the leading note in B major. The answer is true. The second one asks if F is the subdominant A minor, which is false, because the subdominant of A minor is D, not F. The third one asks if D is the submediant in F sharp minor, which is true. Remember the name of each scale degree in this part, revise a little bit before the exam, and you will be able to get a full mark in this part easily.